up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE. In today's video, we're gonna be working with Lovmuse hair. Now, in this video, you're gonna see I kind of wasn't feeling the hair. One, this is a teapot lace wig. You guys know how I feel about teapot lace wigs. Sometimes it's a hit and sometimes it's a miss. In this case, I believe, I don't know, this is something different. Like, off rip, y'all, I love this color. Like, this is definitely something different. I never had like an orange ombre, but what I mean by something different is like this hair is like really short. I've done a 12-inch bob before, but that was literally years ago when the hair was all black. So this is a little different for me. It's a little, you know, it makes me feel grown. Off rip, it makes me feel real grown. I feel like I'm about to go put on a nice tight dress and go out to dinner or something like that. But yeah, so this hair definitely gotta grow on me. The hair is bomb. This is Lovmuse hair. Like I said, this is my first time working with them. I was honestly really surprised that the hair is as soft as it is, because in the packaging, you know, looks can be real deceiving. I ain't gonna hold you, looks can be real deceiving, but it turned out good. This hair is good. Like I said, it's a teapot lace wig. You don't honestly have much space to pluck or really do baby hairs, but I feel weird without baby hair. I feel like it just would have looked too wiggy. I don't know, maybe this hair would have looked nice without baby hair. I love the hair. I was really surprised it turned out the way it did. This is Lovmuse hair. This is a 12-inch teapot. This is a 12-inch teapot lace bob wig. Does that make sense? Nah. But yeah, like I said, this is something that has to really grow on me. This is something real different. I've never done nothing like this before. But yeah, I would highly recommend this hair. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.